Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Markets were up today. All right. So, what's that? 3, 4 days up. I think we're up on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So, we've got some exciting news to go over. All right. So, let's go over the markets, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Okay. All right, guys. The Dow was up. All right, so the Dow was up 242 points up for the day. The Dow is right at 40,000, guys. Right at 40,000. Nasdaq was up today. S&P was up. All right at 5,400. And the Russell was down. All right, so markets were up today, except for the Russell here. All right, VIX, guys. Look, VIX keeps coming lower. All right, so VIX is at 16 right now, 16.19. So that's low on the VIX. So low volatility. All right, now that's not a signal to get in the market aggressively yet, equity markets. But hey, low volatility, that's good. So the VIX is coming down. All right, on the S&P, so the spiders, the SPY, we did get a green candle today. All right. So you guys remember we brought in our V's, right? So we could get a V-shaped rally. Okay. So here's our markdown phase, right? Not quite a markdown phase, but hey, we'll call it that. What we would like to see is that price buyers kind of consolidate up in this area here, form a cup and handle, right? A cup and handle, all right? And then break out. But the good news is we have a green candle that came in here today. So that's really good news on the S&P, okay? On the Dow, we also have a green candle. All right, so we also have a green candle on the Dow. All right, now we might start looking for opportunities this evening in equities. We'll see what comes through Heat Seeker, but that's encouraging, right? These green candles, we don't have buy signals yet, but we can certainly start looking based on these green candles here. Okay, so the S&P and also the Dow right here. All right, nice green candle that came into here today here, guys. Okay, so we need buyers to continue to move higher and start testing resistance up here. Okay, so that's the Dow. So S&P and the Dow with green candles. All right, let's move this. Now the NASDAQ, guys, the Qs, QQQ, the NASDAQ. Now we don't have any green candles yet, but we did get a second day of a white candle. So that's good. And price keeps moving higher. All right, so we keep making higher lows here. White candle here. Yesterday, another white candle here. All right, perhaps tomorrow we get continued buying. We can get a green candle on the NASDAQ. Now remember, the NASDAQ had fallen the most. Okay, so it might take its time getting back up to that resistance area right here. The IWM, so small caps. Hopefully tomorrow we could see white candles come in on the Russell. Okay. All right. So we're making higher lows here. And look here, we are right near that resistance level for the IWM small caps. All right. So we're looking to break through that resistance right here. So we're right at resistance. All right. Hey, Tamara, welcome. So we're right at resistance right here, guys. Okay. So here is support. Here is resistance. We get some more buy-in. That should break through. And it is encouraging to see the S&P spiders and the Dow giving green candles, okay? Very encouraging. So shorts are definitely being squeezed. I know we're not any, I know our traders are not shorting, that's for sure, in this market. We're seeing more sectors, guys, that are down, okay, with new down. So be aware of that. Just because buyers are coming in here, that doesn't mean these sectors are totally ready, and we want them to be ready. Let's take a quick look at the sectors here. Okay. The top sector right now is, what's that? Utilities. Okay, utilities. That's a flight to safety. Okay, so buy signal here, moving higher here. Telecom, I know telecom has been doing well. Buy signal here, really doing well here. Tech, all right, tech has a sell signal, but if it recovers that trend line right here, guys, okay, so white candles break through that trend line, we could start seeing buyers come in with green candles there. Okay, so tech, real estate, look at that. All right, consumer discretionary. Let's see, healthcare. All right, healthcare. So we'll take a look if we have, we should have time this evening. So we'll take a look at healthcare. Healthcare stocks in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay, so healthcare stocks. Okay, healthcare looks good. The buy signal here, choppy in here, but look, moving higher here. Okay, and let's see, consumer staples. All right, consumer staples, that looks good too, but healthcare might be good. Gold just holding. All right. Okay, let's take market. Looks good. So let's take a look at the Max 7 NVIDIA. All right, green candle came in today, guys. Small green candle. So buyers are coming in here. All right, green candle. That's really good for NVIDIA. And we are getting past resistance right here. All right, on NVIDIA right here. Previous support is resistance. Green candle coming in here. Very encouraging. For NVIDIA, nothing yet in Microsoft. Apple, guys, we got 2 days of buying. Look at the V here. All right. Right. 2 days of buying. Right. Green candle here, green candle. And look at moving up to that resistance. Okay. And hopefully break out. We don't have a buy signal yet. That buy signal, guys, could come in right in this area here on the daily time frame. Okay. Look at Meta. Facebook is breaking out. Look, several updates, 5 updates, guys. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. No, I'm sorry, Friday. What's that? No, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Look at that. All right. And looks like it wants to break out and hopefully give a buy signal. Okay, so Meta, Facebook looks good. Google still has a lot of work to do in the markdown phase, and Tesla also. Okay, but hey, some of them are starting to shape up. Okay, current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through these. Okay, current positions. We'll start with long positions. Long positions in Monster Scalper as the equity markets move higher. All right, yen pairs should move higher also. Okay, that's still our best trade. We're trying to get going here. All right, so let's start with the Aussie pairs. Aussie Swiss, that trade closed. So buy signal here right at resistance. All right, closed here, closed the trade. Aussie Swiss. Okay, Aussie dollar. All right, buy signal was here, broke support, red candle, sell signal, your white arrow here, closed the trade. Okay, so Aussie dollar close the trade, please. Aussie CAD, same thing. Buy signal here. All right. Broke support, red candle here. All right. Close the trade, please. All right. I call them before they happen. Tomorrow. That's why we do this. That's why we do this. All right. So Aussie CAD. Good observation. Aussie CAD. All right. Close the trade, please. Red candle here. Buy signal. Broke support. Red candle. White arrow. Close the trade, please. Okay. Now the Aussie pairs. I was talking to one of our traders. We're doing some coaching today. And what we talked about is data is coming out, guys. So data is coming out this evening at 9:30. All right. So at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. All right. Eastern time, data is coming out in the Aussie pairs, right? So Australia, data is coming out in that market, and that data should move the market. Okay, so that's what unemployment. All right, so that should move the market. So if anyone is in, if you guys are in any of the Aussie pairs, the Kiwi pairs, and the yen pairs, all right, really pay attention. You might want to scale out. All right. You know, if you're heavy in positions, you might want to scale out, wait for that data to come out. Okay. All right. Just be aware of that. New Zealand Swiss, right? New Zealand Swiss, that trade closed. So we guys remember, we had data last night. We talked about data last night in the Kiwi pair. So last night it was Kiwi. Tonight it's the Aussie. Okay, and data came in. That we have to pay attention to that data, because data will really interfere with your trade. Okay, so buy signal here, red candle. That's that data that came out last night. Okay, forced to close the trade. So make sure this evening, and every time we have data, you guys pay attention to data that's coming out. Okay, so NZD CHF, close the trade, please. So bought here, sold here, close the trade. Okay. ZAR yen. All right, buy signal here. That's still holding fine. Okay, and we're hoping these yen pairs give us a nice run. All right. All right. So buy signal here. Right. Very difficult trading in here, but we've been testing. Hopefully we get a breakout. Okay. All right. So ZAR yen holding firm. Pound yen. All right. Give a sell signal here. Okay. Now, guys, these are small losses. I know losses add up. Okay. But guess what? You get a couple of big trades, they'll make up for these small losses here. So no buy signal. If it breaks through resistance, we have good tight resistance here. It breaks through, and if you guys look, say it's kind of consolidating, forming a triangle here. All right, that's good. So it has to break out somewhere. Hopefully it break out to the upside. Okay, so right here, and it's got a green candle. We need it to break out, give a buy signal. Okay, so pound yen, close it for now on the 60-minute time frame. Euro yen, buy signal here. Moving up nicely. All right. So euro yen looks good. Getting past sellers here. Okay. And next target is all the way. Let's bring this down. Target is right here. Okay. Euro yen. CAD yen. CAD yen. All right. Just waiting for a buy signal here. Break through that resistance. Right. We need a buy signal. Okay. CAD yen. So let's see here. So CAD yen, yes. Let's remove it. We need a buy signal to get back in. Singapore dollar yen, SGD, JPY, buy signal here. And we have resistance right here. Okay, your markdown phase. All right, always bring in your trend lines. All right. And I know this is frustrating here. If you guys want to wait for it to break out before you trade it, that's fine too. Okay. All right. So SGD JPY, that is holding for now. Okay. On the 240, we do have some trades. Well, we do have shorts on the 60. So let's do those. So 60-minute time frame, we've got a short. So we talked about the dollar pairs, right? Moving lower. The dollar index, which is right here, right? Moving lower right here. Okay, so that's good. Let's see. All right, so USD CZK is a short, dollar short we've got. All right, so sell short signal. Hold on. USD CZK. Hold on. USD CZK. All right, sell short signal here. Good short going. Now, this one here, guys, have a yellow support and resistance. Okay, so just be aware of that. In the markdown phase, we want purple support and resistance. Okay, anytime you start getting yellow support and resistance, right, that could be a turnaround. Okay, so just be aware of that. So we're getting higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase. That's not good. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay. All right, so we've got some longs, monster scalper, longs on the 240. Okay, so the 240 time frame. All right, so Aussie CAD, guys, buy signal here. It's holding right now, but just remember, we've got data coming out. Okay, you've got data coming out. So just be aware of that. Okay, if sellers come in, now we talked about doing coaching today. So if you're savvy, right, and you're in the trade, we had a trader that's in this trade right here. Okay, bought here and it's holding here. Right here with data, right? Went ahead and close it. Just close it because of that data coming out, okay? That the New Zealand data that came out last night wasn't favorable for the Kiwi pairs, and they made a move down, okay? So just remember, if you guys are in trades like this, the Aussie, again, data is coming out at 9:30 Eastern time. You might want to close it, wait, let the news pass, all right? And then if you see buyers start to come in again, all right, you'll see it here. Go ahead and you might want to get back in, all right? Or even reduce your time frame, go to a smaller time frame, like a 60-minute, 30-minute, and look for a buy signal, okay? But this is risky right here, okay? It's not holding resistance. You got white candles coming in, okay? And you've got data coming in too, which really might affect the price here. So just make sure you guys manage your trades. Okay, so Aussie CAD, we'll leave it, okay, for us, but if you guys are trading it, manage it properly. Same thing with Aussie dollar here. Okay, see, making lower lows. Now data can come out and you could get a bounce, but boy, it can certainly move lower. So your buy signal, let's say your buy signal was right here, all right, might want to just, in this case, take profits, okay, and then just wait. You can always get back in, all right, or just find something else. Aussie dollar. Now, if it's high in the markup phase, okay, so guys, if it's higher in the markup phase, you in good profit, right? You could hold the trade. All right. NZD Swiss got closed. So buy signal here on a break of resistance, broke support, sell signal. All right. Close the trade, please. NZD CHF. New Zealand CAD. All right, this is what happened. Was that last night? Yeah. So buy signal here. That's the news. See what the news will do, guys, right here. All right, so close the trade. All right, sometimes it will go in your favor and break out to the upside, but we never know. Aussie Swiss, all right, holding here, buy signal here, and it's right at support. Okay, if that data comes out, sellers come in, it will break to that support, okay, and give a sell signal. So just be aware of that. Hopefully, hey, guess what? Hopefully buyers come in. Euro yen, buy signal here, holding firm, right? Need that to keep moving higher. New Zealand yen, all right, buy signal here and right at support. So they are waiting, guys. You can see here, they are waiting for that data at 9:30. Okay, so these yen pairs also. So Aussie, Kiwi, and yen pairs. Keep an eye on that data. That's Asian market. CAD yen, green candles, buy signal here, sold here. All right, so bought at a break of resistance, sold at a break of support. So green candles here, so nothing to do. Wait for the next buy signal. I know it's choppy, guys. All right, Aussie yen, just holding, consolidating here. Okay. All right, we do have some shorts. Monster scalper on the 240. Let's see here on the 240. All right, USD, PLN, again, the dollar short trade. All right, so short, I think we got in right about in here, and that's holding so far. Let's see if we have some structure here. All right, keep an eye on it. The dollar short, guys, that's not your best trade, okay? That is not your best trade. USD okay, sell short signal here. We got in right about in here. Keep an eye on it, okay? The dollar index, dollar pairs have been tricky. All right, Forex dominator. Let's go through those. Long positions. All right, EUR, AUD. All right, gonna let it move. EUR, AUD, holding firm. Euro, New Zealand. All right, got a nice move, holding above resistance. That's encouraging. Euro, Aussie. All right, holding firm, continuing to move higher here. Euro and OK. All right, that closed. Okay, so close the trade. Buy signal here. White candle came in. Sell signal, close the trade. And guess what? Failed to break to that resistance. Okay, so close the trade. Short positions. These shorts are probably still holding in Forex dominator. They haven't done much on the other time frames. Okay, so TRY, JPY still holding it short right here. Aussie yen still holding it short right here. SGD, Singapore dollar yen, still holding it short. Keep an eye on this one, guys. It keeps moving higher here. Now, our Forex dominator traders, you guys should be out of these. Okay, I mean, we're keeping these here for educational purposes, but our Forex dominator traders, you guys should be out of these long time. Okay, all right, it reached its target here. All right, don't try to get that price all the way down there, okay? But we'll keep them for here for now. Keep them here for now. SGD, JPY, Aussie yen holding, CAD yen, all right, holding here. Euro yen holding, dollar yen is holding right here. New Zealand, Kiwi yen holding. Hong Kong, HKD holding. So they're all holding. Pound yen holding here. Okay. And that's not good, guys. They really need to be coming down, you know, at least at a minimum, hold down here near support, not near resistance. Okay. That's why you guys are in this. You should have taken profits a long time ago. USD CZK, sell short signal here, holding here. That's $1 pair. Not much happening there. You don't have, yeah, it's choppy, but you're really trading the range, okay, on the daily. So you got resistance about here, support. Let's bring in support about here. And we're looking to get to support and hopefully break it, okay? All right, so resistance, support, right? Buy, sell short signal here. We're looking for that to come on down. And we need help from the dollar index though, okay? So guys, we don't have a clear rotation. All right, we don't have a clear rotation. Equity positions. Remember, we had a major run short in these yen pairs, so the market have to give it time to digest, right? Everything we were short, now things are trying to go long, so you got to give them time to figure things out. That's all. All right, stock boss AVXL, buy signal here, and that's holding in stock boss. Let's see, nothing in Bullmaster. Bullmaster Pro, Coke, holding, consolidating nicely here. That's a very bullish sign. Just holding the highs there. Same with HWKN. PLTR, guys. Look at PLTR. All right, we did 3 videos on this. All right, breaking through resistance right here, and that's part of AI. And close that 31. Good price action. Look at that. All right, breaking out. All right, good update today. Almost 2% up. That's a big update. Well, not big, but good. Good update. SN, that's also holding. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Stock boss, let's take a look at what's going on. Oh, the US 30. Hold on. US 30, guys, we got a good trade going here. US 30. All right. Really good trade. Okay, so buy signal here. All right. And it's holding right between near-term support and resistance. Yellow support and resistance. That's really, really good. Do we have data tomorrow? Thursday, we've got retail sales, unemployment claims. All right, so we got data. So hopefully the market's been bullish. So hopefully it continues to move higher. Good trade here on the 60. On the 240, look here. All right, on the 240, all right, we had a second day of buying here, right? White candles, we'll take that. And look how close we are to resistance, guys. All right, so here is support, here is resistance. We keep moving higher, and that will certainly help, that US 30 trade here on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so good trade going here. On the NAS, all right, we didn't call this trade here on the NAS. We'll wait to see. We do have a new buy signal here. We got purple support and resistance. That might be overbought. Okay, so we'll wait on that. Okay, S&P, E-mini, all right, good trade going here. Those of you who took this trade, great job. Buy signal here, holding nicely, and here we are, just walking that price all the way up here on the daily. Okay, here's your V, keeps moving higher. Okay, but that US 30 trade looks really good. Hopefully it continues to move higher. All right, so is that the SP 500. Okay, all right, but US 30 right here, really good trade going so far. Okay. All right, stock boss. Let's run hit seeker. All right, we've got some stocks. All right, 30. Let's take a look. Healthcare. Tech. Oh, this looks really good. CLOV, but guys, it's gone. Look at the daily here. This stock went from 89 cents to $2.51. All right, that's the daily, and then that's the weekly here. Look at the weekly. Good markdown phase. Too late though. Too late to get in. All right, APPS, we're going to call this one no, that's tech. APPS in stock boss. Okay. So on the weekly time frame, I know we don't have green candles there, but we do have white candles. We'll take that on the weekly right here. All right, and we got a good markdown phase. This stock fell from, look here, guys, right around $100 up here, all the way down. All right, and close today at $3.24. All right, from $100 to $3.21. Look here. Right, all the way up here, all the way back down. That's on the weekly. So we'll call it on the daily time frame. Okay. So weekly looks good. We can tell the daily looks good too. So we'll start adding slowly. All right, really good markdown phase. All right. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here on a break of resistance at 251, trading at 324. Okay, good trade here. So APPS, and I think we've traded this before. All right. See if we can find just a couple more. Not heavy. All right, that's gone. Basic material, gold is moving higher. That's gold and silver. What did gold do? Gold is all right. A little pullback. All right, we'll look for this. All right, this has a good technical setup. Okay, and it's gold and silver. All right, so on the monthly time frame, guys, look at this. All right, so fell from what 22 all the way down. A buy signal on the monthly came in at $3.82. Buy signal here, look at that. You got good support down here, really good support. So worst case it fails, guys. Here's your protection, your support. But then look at your upside potential. No guarantee it's gonna move all the way back up, but that's your potential, okay? So monthly looks good. Now we don't need the monthly, but it does help. On the weekly time frame, no, the weekly we have buyers on the weekly, all right? Buyers on the weekly. It is choppy here. We do have resistance right here, right about here. Buy signal here, and it's breaking through near-term resistance, reaccumulation right here. All right, so we got buyers on the monthly, buyers on the weekly, and let's take a look at the daily here. All right, so on the daily, so we're gonna call this one IAG in Stock Boss, and this is reaccumulation, okay? So we are already in the markup phase, and those can be good trades. And here we are, we're breaking resistance right here. Okay, breaking resistance, buy signal right here, big candles, guys, nice healthy candles breaking through. So IAG, I think this should be enough. See if we can find one more. All right, let's add healthcare, AQST in Stock Boss. So we have buyers on the monthly, guys. Buyers here on the monthly, see here? All right, so it fell from on the monthly around $20. All right, close today at 318, 319. All right, so we have buyers, all right, on the monthly. Looks like it wants to get in the markup phase on the monthly. Weekly, we've got buyers on the weekly, all right in here, okay? And the daily. We do need this is small cap, so it would help if the Russell breaks through that resistance, okay? But guys, we're moving higher, okay? So that correction for right now is over. VIX is down 16. All right, market's moving higher. We're in August, so guess what? We got one more month to get through September. If the market holds through September, boy, you could see a really nice Christmas rally. Okay, this is a little rare, where we see, you know, we got the selling, but boy, to have buying come back in, and let's say we start testing highs, all-time highs again in August, September, wow. And remember, rates are coming down, all right? So that's very, very bullish, all right? Well, we don't have a rate cut yet. They're anticipating a rate cut in September. That would be very bullish for the market. So it's setting up. And again, we might have had the low this month, might have been the low, all right, for the season. AQST on the daily time frame buy signal here. All right, moving up nicely. We'll have resistance here, and it's forming a really good cup and handle there. Okay, but buy signal here already. Okay, all right. So that's it for Stock Boss. Let's see if we can find a couple in Bullmaster. Forex, right? Nothing for right now. We are mixed in Forex. Okay. So no real direction, but the bias is long with the yen pairs, short the dollar. You might find opportunities here and there in the pound and euro pairs. Okay, Aussie, we're still looking for long the Aussie and Kiwi. 53 in Bullmaster, not a lot at all. Let's take a look at healthcare. All right, we have a few in healthcare. So these are large cap. All right. THC in a Bullmaster. No, not Bullmaster Pro, just Bullmaster. Okay. So we have buyers, guys. So see the trend here. All right. Buyers, look here. A lot of buying on the monthly there. That's good. Straight up. That's really good. All right. Good buying. We actually have a trend on the weekly. All right, trend here. Look at that. Buy signal here. Good trend. Good markup phase. That's reaccumulation on the weekly. And on the daily, we've got reaccumulation. Okay. So nice big chart. All right. So here we are. Good markup phase. Look at the previous trades, guys. Did really well. All right, really well, never really sold off with the selling. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here by the system, buy signal here, breaking resistance here. So THC, great setup here. And that is, I believe, healthcare. All right, tenant healthcare. All right. We're almost done, guys. Let's find one more good one. They're buying them. All right, HCA. All right, healthcare. You guys know HCA, right? On the monthly time frame, look at that. Buyers are on the monthly. Okay, held strong through the pullback. Okay, on the monthly here. On the weekly, they're definitely on the weekly. All right, good buy signal, holding strong on the weekly. And on the daily here. All right, it is expensive, but you know, you can trade fractional shares, calls for our option traders. But good price action. Okay, buy signal came in at 345, breaking resistance here. All right, at 370. 371, not too far gone. All right, ideally right in here. Okay, but we're looking for a bigger move, especially if the market holds up. Okay, so HCA. So we got 2 in Bull Master. HCA, Bull Master, and Bull Master Pro. Let's just see here. Hold on. Okay, Bull Master Pro. All right, let's see here. PLTR, we're already in that one. All right, ADMA, look at that, guys. All this green. ADMA looks good in Bull Master Pro. ADMA. Bull Master Pro. All right, on the monthly, we've got buyers on the monthly. All right, so you guys see here, all right, buyers on the monthly in a big way. All right, and Bull Master Pro, that's with fundamentals. Okay, so we got good fundamentals in this system. On the weekly time frame, look at that. Buy signal here came in at 485, right? 1757. Good trade going here on the weekly, and then on the daily. That's reaccumulation. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, broke resistance, gapped up, new buy signal here. Buy signal came in right at 1757. All right, so Bull Master Pro. All right, I'm sorry, ADMA. AD right here. ADMA. All right, let's do one more and we'll be done. Bull Master Pro. So we are looking in relative strength at new highs. So these stocks are making new highs with strength. Okay, not just new highs, relative strength at new highs. Okay. Okay, so next one, NTRA in Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Okay, on the monthly time frame, guys, we got buyers, strong buyers on the monthly. On the weekly time frame, we've got buyers. Look at that. All right, we have resistance here. So we break through that resistance, it can move higher. That's the weekly. And then we've got, all right, reaccumulation. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here in the markup. Breaking resistance right here. Here is your resistance line. Buy signal right here. Blue arrow. Blue arrow here pointing to this candle. And then this little triangle right here. All right, pointing to right here. A buy signal. Okay. All right. So NTRA. So we got some stocks. Can't go heavy. All right, guys. Because if you guys look here, remember. All right, remember. All right, right here, we just, only today, we got a green candle here on the Dow. Okay, so we don't have buy signals yet, but we have green candles, so we'll, right, look to slowly get in. On the S&P, we've got green candles. Green candle right here, small green candle. And the VIX is coming down. All right, VIX is coming down here. And then healthcare looks good. So we got some healthcare, got a little tech mix in. Okay. All right, guys. So I will see Um, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Now, our monster scalper traders, just be careful. Trade lightly. Okay. We have volatility here, so you guys should be just getting ready. All right. We could see Forex move. Okay. A little slow, but we're not consolidating. All right. Good volume on the daily. Good volume on the 240. Good volatility on the 60-minute. We just need direction to shape up. All right. See how it's kind of scattered in here. All right. So on the different time frames. So we just need things to shape up. All right. Hopefully these yen pairs move higher. Okay. All right, guys. I will see everyone